Constitution of India. Preamble. We the people of India. Have solemnly. Without Constitution India. Sovereign. Socialist. Secular. Democratic. Republic. To secure. Puari citizen. Justice. Social. Economic and political. Liberty of thought. Expression. Kingdom worship. Equality of status. And opportunity. And to promote. Among them all. Fraternity. During the degree of staff. Unity and integrity of the nation. In our family. This 26th day of November 1949. Do hereby adopt. Thank you.